Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos. I'm Latoya, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you all how to grab our free Mother's Day chocolate candy bar wrappers. If you end up using this design, feel free to tag me over on Instagram and Facebook at Hanging with the Kiddos. Before hopping into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more freebies. Stay tuned.
In my veins, I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed, all the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say, I don't push pause, no I push play, I won't stop till I make a change, I withdraw on the things I make, I turn flaws.
You can grab this free Mother's Day chocolate candy bar wrapper by heading on over to our website and checking out our latest blog post. Click the download PDF here button at the bottom. The file is going to be added to your cart. You have to proceed to check out like you normally would, but it's free, so no payment information is going to be needed. While you're over on the website, you can also check out our other Mother's Day designs that we have available, like these matching gift bag, treat bag wrappers. You can grab these adorable designs as the instant download, ready to print PDF file. If you're following us on TikTok and Instagram, you got a first look at our new personalized birthday gift boxes that we have available. I have a limited quantity available. I wanted to see how well this would do before I continue to purchase more products, but all of the products included in the box are all natural, kid-friendly products. We have the body butter, the birthday cake body butter that smells delicious, the birthday cake whipped soap, a bath bomb. We have some kid-friendly nail polish, makeup mirror, and you're also going to receive a personalized birthday card for the birthday girl. If you're interested in this, you can find a link for it in the description box down below. Alright guys, don't forget to head on over to our website to grab this Mother's Day chocolate candy bar wrapper, free printable. This week is also Teacher Appreciation Week, and I share with you all in our previous video our freebie for that. That's also available over on the website. I would like to take the time to wish all of the moms out there a happy and blessed Mother's Day this Sunday. And if you all would like to wish me a happy Mother's Day, drop me a comment down below. If you found the video helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more freebies and more video tutorials. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.